Hello my lovely viewers. In today's video, we want to look at a question on volume-volume relationship under stoichiometry. And the question reads, what volume of carbon dioxide is produced when 50 cm³ of carbon dioxide burns completely? Like I said, this question is coming from what? Volume-volume relationship under stoichiometry. Stoichiometry is the quantitative relationship between the reactant and product in a given balanced chemical equation. And now we have some relationship and it has to do with mass, mole, and what? Volume. We have mass-mass relationship, mass-mole relationship, mass-volume relationship. We have mole-mole relationship, mole-mass relationship, mole-volume relationship. We have volume-volume relationship, volume-mass relationship, and volume-mole relationship. But in this question, we are asked of what? Volume-volume relationship. Now, how to identify that it is volume-volume relationship is, you say, what volume? What volume? Now, you are given what? 50 cm³. 50 cm³ is what? Volume. So what you're going to do is that the first thing, you have to balance your chemical equation. Now, they say that what volume of carbon dioxide is produced when carbon dioxide, that is carbon monoxide. You see, this is what? Carbon dioxide bond completely. Bond is what? Is air. Alright? So plus what? Plus oxygen will give you what? Will give you carbon dioxide. Look at carbon dioxide. You see CO2. We are now going to balance our chemical equation. You can see that oxygen here is 2, oxygen here is 2. For us to be able to balance this, oxygen here is what? 3, oxygen here is what? Is 2. So we are going to add what? If we add 2 here, oxygen becomes what? Becomes 4. We cannot add 2 here. If we add 2 here, it means that oxygen is 5. So the best thing is what? Since carbon here is 2, oxygen here is what? 4. We need to do what? Add 2 here. This is our balanced chemical equation. Remember, stoichiometry has to do with what? The quantitative relationship between what? Reactant and product. Look at reactant and what? Product in a given balanced chemical equation. Alright. Now, we are now asked what volume of carbon dioxide. Look at. We are asked the volume of carbon dioxide. Given that 50 cm³ of what? Carbon monoxide. Look at it here. 50 cm³. So what you're going to do is that this one that you are given, you say 50. What is the coefficient of carbon monoxide? What is the mole ratio of carbon monoxide? This one is what? Is 2 divided by what? 2 is equals to. What is the volume of carbon dioxide? That is what you are asked to say. Fine. You say what? X. What is the coefficient of carbon? What is in front of this one is 2. You get that? You don't have any business with what? With oxygen, because they are asking you carbon dioxide and carbon dioxide. Have you seen carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide? So the coefficient is what? Coefficient is what? 2. Are you following? Of course, when you cross multiply, or you can reduce it, 50 divided by 2, you can reduce it. Or if you don't want to do like that, you do what? Cross multiply. 2 times x will give what? 2x is equals to 2 times 50 will give us what? Will give us what? Look at. I'm just doing it in such a way that you understand. 2 times 50 give us what? 100. So what you do is what? Divide both sides by what? 2. Divide both sides by what? 2. So x now will now be equals to what? 50 cm³. So our answer is what? 50 cm³. For more of this video, please do well to like, share, importantly, follow all my social media platforms. If you are watching on Facebook, follow me on Facebook. If you are watching on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. If you are watching on YouTube, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and God bless you.